Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Wix versus Weebly in 2025 and see which one gives you the best balance of ease of use, features, and pricing. Let's jump in. Wix is known for flexibility. It offers hundreds of templates and drag and drop editor, and an app marketplace for extra features like booking, e-commerce, and blogs. It's powerful, but with so many options, it can feel a little overwhelming for beginners. Weebly, on the other hand, is simpler. It has fewer design options but keeps things very beginner friendly with a straightforward editor. It's also more affordable, making it good pick for small sites, portfolios, or side projects. But it doesn't match Wix when it comes to advanced features or customization. So, if you want more freedom and a feature-rich platform, Wix is the better choice. But if you're on budget and want something super simple to start with, Weebly is the smarter option. Thanks for watching this comparison, and I'll see you in the next one.